officer. It hurts so bad. It hurts so bad.
And for 21 minutes, she rides like this, upside down and begging for her life.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, God. Officer, please let me out. Please, officer, don't let me die back here.
That's not what we're hired to do. We are not judge, jury, and executor.
Chief said she was struck at one point by how desperate Kelly became, so she assumed the role of a slave.
She denigrates herself to the point, doesn't know what to do, that she actually calls him master.
Every time I gotta beg you, master. Master, I'll be good.
That, to me,
honey, why are you head down like that?
Kelly survived the ride, and Aurora dropped all charges against her.